Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change font in Odoo website. The first thing you want to do once on your Odoo website, you're going to tap on Edit in the top right hand corner. After selecting Edit, to change the font style, you're just going to select any section where you have text. Then you're going to go over to the right hand menu option and you're going to tap on Theme. And by the way, you can customize the font size and so on from this section right here. But to change the font style, you'll tap on Theme in the top right hand corner. Then from there, you're going to see the option Font Size, Font Family. You're going to tap on Font Family. And from there, you can choose the font style that you would like to use. So let's say we would like to change it to Open Sans. We'll select Open Sans. And you can see that the font style has changed right there. And I could change it to something else. So let's say I were to change it to Roboto. You can see that the font style has changed. And we can also change the font style, the font size better yet. So I could change it to 18. And you can see that the font size has increased. And that's it. Once you're finished making the changes, you can scroll down and you can also change the font style and size for the heading. You can change the font style for paragraph, as you can see right here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.